Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to set up a flexible payment. First, select a facility. Then open a new table. Flexible payment allows the guest to pay an individual amount up front before an order has been made. To do so, enter the respective amount into the input field. After adding the input, select the guest's preferred payment method. Note: the payment methods may differ, depending on your settings for the payment methods menu. To now temporarily close the order, tap on the total amount. Back to the overview of the tables, you always can then go back to the table with the deposit. Simply tap on the table to open it. Once you add items to the order, the price will be deducted from the deposit. To then check out, select the guest's preferred payment method. When there is a credit left, you can choose how to handle the remaining amount by selecting one of the given options. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to set up a flexible payment.